Hey everyone, Bobby here from Bipper Media. So we get tons of questions all the time. We love talking to people, love getting on the phone and answering questions and through email. But with our new BIP Citation Network, we're getting a ton of questions about the Citation Network. So the main questions we get are like, number one, what are citations and how are they valuable to my business ranking higher in Google Search and Google Maps? So first, what's a citation? The easiest way I've come to explain it, a citation is just a group of data points about your business. There's 7 specifically. One is your business name, your street address, your city, state, zip code, your phone number, and number 7, your website URL. Anytime you create citations or you use a citation service, they're going to need those 7 data points about your business. Unless you're a service area business, which means you work from home, the street address is going to be missing. So it'll be, I guess, 6. But that's what a citation is. It's basically your business information plus your website. Now, why citations are important? It comes down to, you can read more about, Google actually has some documentation on how businesses rank in Google Maps. One of the key heaviest weighted components is what's called prominence. So what is prominence? Prominence is basically Google systematically looking at how many times is your business mentioned across the web. That's it. And by mentions across the web, the way you get mentioned across the web is you have to have your business information published, right? So that's why when building citations, directories are a key way to do it, because you can publish citations, which is your business information, across the web. Prominence is one of the heaviest weighted factors in ranking in Google Maps. So that's what citations are. That's how citations help your business grow and get found and rank higher in Google Maps especially. And now that comes down to the BIP Citation Network. So in our network, we actually built our own network of 300 high authority citations. So by using our citation network, number one, you're getting 300 super high authority citations, again, contributing very powerfully to that prominence factor. You're going from whatever you had before citations to, on our network, 300. So that's a huge deal. Number 2, because we built our own directories, every citation you get is going to be two things. Number 1, fully optimized with what's called schema markup language. The easiest way to explain schema markup is schema is basically a data protocol that optimizes for AI. You all know how big of a deal AI is, especially with Google and Google Maps. Those are actually AI powered platforms, but it goes beyond that. It's like ChatGPT, Alexa, Siri, Perplexity, Bing, all of these major, everybody knows how big of a deal AI is. Schema is like a code protocol that optimizes for AI, and our network, all 300 of your citations will be fully optimized with schema markup. That's something that you can't get with any other citation provider. And I apologize. I hate throwing platforms under the bus in this way, but I just need to put it in perspective. Platforms like Yext or Bright Local or Sign Up or SEMrush or any vendors that you use to build citations, none of those platforms can build schema optimized citations, because these platforms don't own the directories that they're publishing the citations on. Like Yext doesn't own yellowpages.com. They're just partnered with yellowpages.com. So all they can send to Yellow Pages is text. Compared to, because we built our own directories, we have access to the code. We can not only send your business data to our 300 directories, but because we own the directories, we can actually optimize your citations with schema markup. It's a huge fundamental difference, especially in today's age of AI. And then number 2 is do follow backlinks. 99.9% of any citation, especially from the major citation providers, those citations that they build, the backlinks will be actually 100% no followed backlinks. Again, because they don't control, Yext or Sign Up or SEMrush or Bright Local, the sites, the directories they're building the citations on, because they don't actually own the platforms or own the directories, they have no control over the link being do follow or no follow. On the Bip Citation Network, we built our own for that reason. We can control the do follow or no follow, and all of your citations are 100% do follow, which means the authority is passing through to your website. Maybe a simpler way to think about it is the Bip Citation Network is literally built from the inside out at the code level to be 100% designed to power your business in Google Maps. So thank you so much. Reach out to us, call us, text us, email us, leave us comments. We want to answer your questions, and we're excited to be working with you.